Hello everyone. In today's class, we will learn some more types of integral. So first of all, we will prove these two alternate formula for cosec x and sec x. Earlier, we have already proved formula for cosec x. You know, integral of cosec x is log of cosec x minus cot x, and integral of sec x is log of sec x plus tan x. So here we will prove alternate formula for these two. So one by one we will prove. First of all, integral of cosec x. So this can be written as 1 by sin x dx. Now we can change sin x in half angle twice of sin x by 2 and cos x by 2. Now divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So dividing numerator and denominator by cos square x by 2. If you divide 1 by cos square x by 2, it will be 1 by cos square x by 2. That means sec square x by 2. And in denominator, 1 cos x by 2 will cancel. To that 2 sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. This will become twice of tan x by 2 dx. After that, if you observe, derivative of tan x by 2 is given. So you substitute this as a t. So tan, put tan x by 2 equals to t. Now differentiate sec square x by 2, 1 by 2 dx equals to dt. So this integrand will become dt by t. Tan x by 2 t, and whole thing will be replaced by dt. So integral of 1 by t with respect to t is log of t. Now replace back value of t, log of tan x by 2 plus c. So integral of cosec x is log tan x by 2 also. Now second formula for sec x dx. Here we change sec x into cosec x by trigonometric formula. So this can be written as cosec pi by 2 plus x. So cosec pi by 2 plus x will be sec x. So we have formula for cosec x. So log of tan x by 2. Tan x is here, pi by 2 plus x divided by 2 plus c. So after that, log of modulus tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Modulus plus c. Integral of some other types. Integral of the form fx to the power n f dash x dx. If integral is given in this form, derivative of fx is given f dash x. So here we substitute fx equals to t. Put fx equals to t, then f dash x dx equals to dt. So integral will become here t to the power n dt. Now t to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Now replace value of t by fx. So fx to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Now we apply this formula in some questions. Questions are evaluate first one is 1 plus log x to the power whole square, 1 plus log x whole square by x dx. In this question, derivative of 1 plus log x is 1 by x, that is given in product form. So you substitute here 1, put 1 plus log x is equal to t. So derivative of 1 0, derivative of log x 1 by x dx equals to dt. So this will change t to t square dt, t cube by 3 plus c. If you replace t, then 1 plus log x to the power 3 by 3 plus c. Now another question. Question number 2 is sec square 2 tan inverse x. Sec square 2 tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square. Derivative of tan inverse x is given in product. So put here 2 twice of tan inverse x equals to t. So twice, and derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square dx equals to dt. So dx by 1 plus x square equal to dt by 2. So here sec square t and then dt by 2. So 1 by 2 we will keep outside. Now we know the formula for sec square t. Sec square, integral of sec square t is tan of t. So write down half tan inverse tan t plus c. Now replace the value of t, 1 by 2 tan twice of tan inverse t and plus c. Third question of this type is cos of root x by root x dx. here also derivative of root x is 1 by 2 into 1 by root x. So you substitute root x equals to t. Now 1 by 2 into 1 by root x dx equals to dt. So dx by root x equals to dx by root x equals to twice dt. So dx by root x twice dt, and cos of t dt twice dt. So keep here twice. After that, integral of cos t with respect to t sin t, twice of sine of t. T is root x. So plus c. This is the answer of this question. Now some more question of the same type. Question is here, tan qx, evaluate first one, tan cube x dx, second one, tan 4x dx. First one, tan cube x can be written as tan square x into tan x. In integral, we have to change the function into standard form by using formula or some other concept. So that's why I have changed tan cube into tan square x into tan x. So tan square x, again you change it into sec. So tan square x equals to sec square x minus 1. Sec square x minus 1 into tan x dx. Now multiply this. So tan x into sec square x minus tan x dx. So derivative of tan x is given sec square x. So if you put tan x equals to t, then this will become dt. So in the first, or you can say tan x into sec square x dx minus tan x dx. In first integral, put tan x equals to t. In first, put tan x equal to t, then sec square x dx equals to dt. So t dt minus, and integral of tan x, you know, log of sec x, log of sec x plus c. So t square by 2 minus log of sec x plus c, replace by value of t, that is tan x. So tan square x by 2 minus log of sec x plus c. In the similar way, we will change tan 4 into tan square x and tan square x. So second part of this question is tan square x and tan square x. Now 1 tan square x, you change it into sec square x. So tan square x equals to sec square x minus 1 tan square x dx. Now tan square x into sec square x minus tan square x dx integral. So in first integral, that is tan square x sec square x dx and minus tan square x. So further you change this into sec. Tan square x equals to sec square x minus 1 dx. In the first integral, you substitute tan x equals to t, then this will become dt. So t square dt. So tan cube x by 3 minus here sec square x tan x and minus will plus integral of 1 is x plus c. Okay, thank you.